Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the AirPods Pro case on a stable, flat surface with the lid fully accessible. You don't fumble. Inspect each earbud's orientation so you know which direction to lift. Once done, make sure the case isn't connected to a charger that tugs on wires, and visually check for debris around the hinge. You'll move deliberately. A quick tilt toward you reveals how the earbuds sit, which matters for the next gentle extraction step. You now use your thumb and index finger to cup the earbud stem near its base. This gives control without squeezing the sensor area. As you lift, rotate the earbud gently outward and pull straight up. This follows the natural release angle and prevents catching on the silicone tip. If an earbud feels snug, make small 1-2 mm wiggles while lifting to free any trapped debris or foam. Slow, steady motion reduces the chance of bending the stem or scratching the case interior. You finish by checking each earbud and the case cavity for lint or moisture. Remove visible debris with a dry, lint-free cloth to prevent receding problems. Once out, make sure the earbuds power on or connect to your device. If a battery is low, place them back for a short charge. If an earbud remains stuck, try a slight backward tilt combined with gentle lifting. If it still resists, stop forcing it and contact support to avoid damage. One key tip: never use metal tools to pry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.